Hello guys, so today I have a 24-hour, it's like a timer, so it's a heavy duty timers for the indoor timer. Here you go. It's basic use, so one outlet only right here. You can do by the timing or with the on position for the all the time, and this is goes for the 15 amp, so it's only 15 amp, so it's really easy. There is a push mechanism. So this is my outdoor, but using for the indoor. So I will use it. It's in my garage, just like so. Let's do my DeWalt right here. Here we go. So it's not blinking. Now it's blinking. So there is a buttons here. It's like small buttons. So when they out, it means it's off. So you have to push it inside. So what you have to do, there is a timing here. So right now is 3:22 p.m. So you're setting to 3:22. So 3:22. So for example, you push the button here for how many hours you want to set. Go ahead and plug it back. So right now it's off light. So when the timing will come up, because it's like slowly, and you can hear the click sound, and it will goes on. When the timer will pass through, there is a click sound and it's off. So when the timing will goes again, it's gonna be click sound, lights on, then we'll click and off. So this is really easy. Plug it back. So really easy. So let's go ahead and I'll show it to you. Let me focus it. So here we go. So there is a timing. So dark, it's gonna be afternoon, and this is like morning time. So you can put for like, for example, right now it's like 3 p.m. and we want our lights to be on from 8, so we push the 8 and through like 11 p.m. So when we push these buttons, see how they goes up and down. So this is the timing. When the timing will come up to 8 o'clock, see it's like right here, it will turn on. When it will pass 11, there is a click sound and it will shut off. And it's slowly moving, so it will move every single day. When at 8 o'clock it will start to work, and at 11 o'clock it will be like click sound, so it's off. So they're really easy to go. So this is not working, and when you push it, it's on. One outlet, this is on off, so if it's on, it will be always on. This is off. Not off, but it's timing for this thing. But for the on position, doesn't matter if it's on or down, it will work anyways. Here is a little bit guiding. So up to 15 amps, 125 volt. Here you go. Push down to join. So there is a menu how it actually works. So this is the for the power. So it's like high voltage one kind of with the actual ground. So this is with the ground. So it's really nice. And this is the ground too. So this is it.